In the heart of the mountains, under a restless moon, a young student sits alone in the training hall. His fists are bruised, his mind heavier than his body. He whispers to himself, "Why did I fail yesterday? What if I fail again tomorrow?" He doesn't know it yet, but tonight his master will reveal a secret so powerful it could free him from his prison of fear forever. Stay with this story until the end, because the lesson that saves him might just save you, too. His strikes are fast, but unfocused. Each blow carries the weight of yesterday's regret. Each pause carries tomorrow's fear. Inside his chest, there's a storm, anger for the past, anxiety for the future. He doesn't notice the silent shadow entering the hall. The master has been watching, and tonight, silence will speak louder than words. The student bows, embarrassed, but the master does not scold. He simply asks, "Why do you fight battles that are not here?" The student frowns. He doesn't understand. The master steps closer, his voice calm but piercing. "The past is gone. The future has not arrived. Yet you let them chain you. Why?" The words strike deeper than any punch. The student lowers his head. The master's eyes gleam like fire in the dark. They stand before the stream. The water dances, moving endlessly forward. The master points. "Do you see? The river never chases the drops that are gone. It never fears the drops yet to come. It only flows now. That is why it shines." The student stares, spellbound. For the first time, he realizes he has been living everywhere except here. "Strike!" the master commands. The student hesitates. "But I cannot see what's coming." The master's voice is sharp. "Exactly. None of us can. The future is blind. If you fear it, you will never move." The student strikes, awkward at first. Again and again. His body begins to trust. His movements become fluid, instinctive. The master whispers, "When you release fear of what is not yet here, your spirit becomes free." He feels something different. His body is lighter, his mind clear. The master's voice echoes in the hall. "Don't cry over the past. It is gone. Don't stress about the future. It hasn't arrived. Live in the present and make it beautiful." The words fall like thunder, yet heal like rain. The student bows, but this time his bow is not out of duty. It is out of gratitude. He has tasted freedom. And so the restless student finally awakens, not by changing his past, not by controlling his future, but by embracing this heartbeat, this breath, this moment. And now, I ask you, how much of your life is lost crying over what's gone? How much is wasted fearing what has not yet come? Because this story is not only his, it is yours. The past is gone. The future is not here. But right now, right here, you have the power to make life beautiful. Will you take it? This is Mind Sky, stories that stay with you.